YouTubers, I'm getting the junk man. Get rid of this shit. Not that. No, I didn't get a new one. Might as well do something with that today. Found it on the street. Had a sign that said free on it. Alright. Look here, a funky screw. Try to keep me out of this thing. Good thing I have a whole set to get in there. Well, now that I'm in there, I guess we'll remove some parts. Maybe I'll put that fan on the inverter and see what happens and crank it up. Kind of interesting door interlock. Kind of pretty neat. Yep, there's the Mott.